Welcome to Pluralsight. I'm Ross Bagurtis. Let's take a look at multi-area OSPF v3, which is OSPF for IP version 6. What I'd like to do in this module is go over the OSPF v3 router ID and its configuration, as well as configure OSPF v3 in a multi-area environment. Now, OSPF in a multi-area environment works about the same in v2 as it does in v3, with the exception of how we work the router ID. So let's take a look at how the OSPF v3 router ID works. The OSPF v3 router ID, which is the IPv6 version of OSPF, that router ID is written in the format of an IPv4 address. This is just like the router ID in OSPF v2. It is written in the format of an IPv4 address. The critical component of this statement is in the format of, meaning that it is not an IPv4 address. It's not an IPv4 address. The router ID here in OSPF v3 is written in the format of an IPv4 address, but it isn't an address. And each router ID is unique for every router. So we cannot have duplicate router IDs on our devices. The range of our router ID can go from 0.0.0.0 through 255.255.255.255. So when we're configuring this, we can keep these router IDs very simple. We don't have to worry about public and private IP addresses because a router ID in OSPF is not an IP address. It is only written in the format of one.